see this. Look at this. What the fuck does this mean? Look. Okay. Look. Right. I pressed the button. Right. I want to show you guys this. Why this game? Why this PS4 is fucking horrible. Right. Pick an edit preview. You know. I'm gonna click on it. You know, Fortnite downloading. I don't really put Fortnite. Click X. Right. Keep watching. This game, this PS4 is horrible. This I don't like this shit. Keep watching. Keep watching, man. Please keep watching. Why does this? Does this only happen to me? Look. Why is the loading screen taking this long? Does it take this long? Keep watching, guys. Why is the loading screen that long? Alright. Is this my PS4 is broken or something like that? I click it now, right? Alright. You guys see this? Go back to it, you know, the thing pops up, right? Look at this, you know. Now look. It should move on to the next screen, right? What does it do? It's frozen, man. Please, someone. It's not frozen, but my friends. Look at my friends list doesn't show up, right? Look at this. It's loading for no reason. My friends list doesn't show up. I can't click. I did click on it. Look at this. What's wrong with this game, bro? I'm pressing X, right? I'm pressing the home button. Right. And look. Look it. What the fuck? What does this mean? I can't play 2K19. Look at this. We'll be logged out of the PS4 because an error has occurred. See. Bro, someone please help me, bro.